Hi guys, if you're looking to strengthen your dance skills, your dance move, your rhythm, even your confidence on the dance floor, you might want to check out my channel. From my teaching experience, I know that most beginners have difficulties learning from other instructors because of these common reasons.
First, the moves and choreography are too complicated. Beginners just don't have the mental capacity nor the muscle memory to learn at that pace. A better way to learn would be to build basic foundational moves through repetition and practice before trying to memorize complicated routines. Second, the tempo of the song is way too fast. In many classes, beginners are mixed in with non-beginners. For someone just starting off, this can feel like drinking water from a fire hose. A self-paced class can be a better solution. Third, the most common reason why beginners have difficulties is because they lack rhythm. Dance is built on rhythm. Without rhythm, there's no foundation for dance. In this channel, I have created dance tutorials, dance drills, and exercises that will strengthen your rhythm. By repeatedly watching and practicing these videos, you will be able to develop a stronger sense of rhythm. You will also discover that these dance moves will be a part of your muscle memory, which is important in providing you the ability to learn more complex choreography. More importantly, this is how you become a better dancer.
My name is Ceech. I have over 20 years of active dancing and teaching experience.
I started my dance career as a member of Mind Tricks, a Bay Area hip-hop dance crew in the 90s. Later, I was fortunate enough to learn directly from many street dance pioneers such as the Electric Boogaloos, the Lockers, the Rocksteady Crews, and the Elite Force. My experience as a dancer, choreographer, director led me to start one of Bay Area's first funk-style groups, DS Players. I have taught at dance studios, health clubs, corporate companies, and multiple community colleges.
My goal is to help you to become a better dancer. So come share the culture and join the Nustudios dance community and subscribe to the channel.